The Vincent Wildlife Trust is a charity.
We are a company that supplies to the electromechanical industry.
It's a farm-based business, which is 4 enterprises.
We are a web design company based here in Hereford.
Here at Trefort Farm we do a number of different things.
We undertake all aspects of construction.
We're manufacturers of stone products.
We're a multidisciplinary survey company.
Slow broadband was an absolute nightmare.
We didn't want to grow the business.
We found it really difficult to be able to find new customers and retain our existing customers.
Because of our location, it was very, very poor.
Our phone system uses something called VoIP. People were phoning up and the phone would cut out, losing work that way.
We had 0.5 megabyte download.
We got to the point where we couldn't work.
It was Fastership. It explained that there was grant funding available to put fibre into businesses.
We signed up on the Fastershire website and
It all happened in a matter of weeks and the installation took a matter of days thereafter.
We were able to put 7 or 8 businesses together, so then we had a pot and we were able to go out to tender.
It was a 100% fully funded project.
the process has been very simple and easy.
Our internet speed went from less than half a megabyte to 50 megabytes overnight.
The speed has significantly improved. At Landscope, we often deal with files that are gigabytes in size.
Since Superfast Broadband Day, we have had a massive increase in business.
We can now compete for business all over the country.
With the improved connection, the business will grow.
It'll mean that we'll be able to make use of a lot more cloud functionality.
We've taken on a new member of staff.
And it's completely changed our business.
It's absolutely fundamental. Any business operating in a rural area is having that connectivity.